Hello, this is to show you all that my airsoft gear that I've been having for the past year now. This is my camouflage, the regular jungle. I do have the ACU digital one in jungle form, but I don't have the pants for it. That's the pants. I don't have that yet. This is an old army boat that my dad gave me when he was in the Marines in about the 1990s. This is my vest. It got some problems though, cause it's kind of baggy. I I don't have enough mags, so there's a radio in here and a couple of mags right here. It comes with a belt, costs $60. This I don't know what it's called. These are my boots. They're not army boots. They're just like boots made from the snow, but they work. These are my knee pads, Condor, black, Condor. This is my airsoft gun, M16A1. Panther armor. It goes about 450 FPS. Costs $300. This is helmet camouflage. These are cat eyes. And this is my helmet. I got it at an army barracks. It costs about $43. I also got this on army barracks. It's whenever you're playing at the night, you just put it over the helmet. This costs about $15-20. Knee pads cost $20. Gun costs $300. Helmet camouflage costs $7. Cat eyes cost $2. Well, the vest costs $60. Costs $20. The pants and the suit. Boots, my mom gave them to me for free, so. Belt, I got it for free also. So yeah, that's all my airsoft gear.